to my channel, The Chubby Chick. This is Poonam. So today's dish is Atta Cookies. These are my mom's favorite. So whenever we go to Delhi, we always ensure that we get 3 or 4 boxes of these. So my mom is basically from Delhi and she has grown up eating these. So the store-bought ones definitely have some maida in it to get that nice biscuit texture. But I'm completely avoiding maida because I wanted to make a healthier version of it. And this is so easy that you can make it in like 3 ingredients. I think 3 main ingredients and it's done. So without any further ado, let's get cooking. So firstly, I'm taking about 220 grams of wheat flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder. Baking powder is optional, a pinch of salt, and I'm sifting them nicely. Then I'm adding about a pinch of cardamom to it. Cardamom powder is also optional. In another bowl, I've taken about 100 ml of melted ghee. This ghee is melted at room temperature. You can also use melted butter over here. Now I'm adding about 150 grams of jaggery powder. Now mix this really well and add the wet mixture to the dry one. Now with the use of a spatula or your hands, mix the dough really well and then knead it into a nice cookie dough. This is what the dough should look like. So here my jaggery powder has some granules in it, that is why you can see it in the dough, which is perfectly fine. I've kept the dough in the fridge for 30 minutes and then after removing it, I'm shaping them into cookies. Also, I've used the back of the fork to make that design on them. You can make them in any shape or size you like. Preheat the microwave oven at 180 degrees, then bake it for 10 to 12 minutes. And the most easiest cookies are ready. You can enjoy it with a nice cup of chai. I hope you guys like my recipe for Atta Biscuits and will definitely try it at your home soon. I'm putting the link of organic jaggery powder in the description box. Also, please let me know in the comments below how do you like this recipe. Do not forget to tag me on Instagram. Here is my Instagram handle. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, The Chubby Chick. Also, please do not forget to check out other healthy recipes which I put up on my channel. Till then, keep smiling, stay safe, stay healthy.